Okay, welcome to accounting session with Busty. Yet another topic. Today we'll be looking at depreciation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and any question, leave it in the comments below. Okay, we move. We'll say in this particular course, we'll be defining depreciation as an accounting method of allocating the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life or life expectancy. Looking at a particular definition is similar with our common definition for our students. It talks about the reduction in the economic value of an asset. Good. And this is more appropriate because most tutors talks about the reduction of economic value. I want us to take a different drive. It talks about the allocation of cost of an asset over its useful life or life expectancy. It simply means each and every asset being purchased or acquired by an organization will be rated under a particular categorization of its cost over every period, which simply implies that if an asset is purchased, every year of usage, you will allocate or reduce a particular amount from the cost and give it to that particular year. What am I saying here? For example, an asset was purchased for 50,000 yuans. Then we say its life expectancy is 5 years. Then its depreciation for every year is 10,000. Now, the first year it was depreciated by 10,000. The net book value which is the remaining amount, is 40,000. The next year it will be depreciated for another 10,000, which makes its net book value to be 30,000. Now, looking at this particular 2 years, there was an allocation of the cost of an asset. That is, 10,000 was given to the first year, another 10,000 was given to the second year. Good. And it remains 30,000. That's the value of the asset after the 2 years of depreciation. Good. That purely talks about the useful life, which implies in this definition by saying the allocating the cost of tangible or physical asset over its useful life. Now, when we talk about the life expectancy, it simply means the period that is yet to come. Now, the 2 years of this same example is the past period, that is 2 years. The value of the asset now is 10,000. If we are to depreciate the asset in the next 3 years, this is the life expectancy. We are expecting to depreciate the asset for the next 3 years. But the useful life is the past 2 years that we depreciated it. So think about that. The past 2 years that we depreciated it. But its expected life will be 3 years for it to be completed. Good. And it further says depreciation presents how much of an asset value has been used. As I was saying, it tells you how much of an asset value has been used. And looking at this case, if the asset that was purchased for 50,000 has been depreciated for 2 years, we've actually acknowledged that the value of the asset has been reduced by 20,000. Now its value now is 30,000. This particular depreciation helps us to know that most tutors used to say it's the reduction, the value, or consider the economic reduction in the value of an asset. Here, it's the same as the allocation of cost of a tangible asset over its useful, that is the period that we've passed, and the life expectancy, that is period that is yet to come. It's the same.